In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all chats media on Discord on PC. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to pull up every photo, video, or file that's been shared so you don't have to scroll endlessly through messages. Start by opening Discord on your PC. This works the same whether you're using the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Once Discord loads, pick the server you want to work in from the left sidebar. Inside that server, click on the channel named General. Many servers use a general channel as the main chat area, so it's a good place to demonstrate. If your server's main discussion happens somewhere else, the process is exactly the same there. Next, go to the search bar in the top right of Discord. You may see it labeled as Search or Search My Server. Click it to activate search within the server you're currently viewing. This keeps results focused on the conversations and channels inside that server, which makes finding media much faster and more relevant. Now type the filter has into the search field. As soon as you type has, Discord will show you smart suggestions you can choose from. Select media if you want to see shared images and videos, or choose file if you're specifically looking for documents, archives, or other uploaded files. Using has media is the easiest way to surface all the visual content that's been posted in the server without digging through each channel manually. After you apply the filter, Discord will display matching results. You'll see a list of messages that contain the type of content you selected, along with previews where available. This is a powerful way to review everything that's been shared in the channel you're in, while still drawing from the server's message history. If your interface looks a little different due to an update, don't worry. The has filter works consistently, and the suggestions will guide you. If you want to narrow what you're seeing, keep an eye on the small context shown with each result, like which channel it came from and when it was posted. You can scroll through to quickly scan thumbnails and open any item to view it at full size, or download it if you need a local copy. When you're done, simply clear the search field to return to your normal chat view. That's all it takes. Open Discord, go to the general channel, use Search My Server, and apply the has media or has file filter to instantly gather every relevant item. This simple workflow saves time and keeps your media organized and easy to find.